Don't throw away yesterday's bread. Make this recipe and surprise everyone. To start today's recipe, we're going to put 1 cup of sugar in a pan and stir until it melts. I'm going to teach you the secret that the greatest chefs around the world use to make the best dessert you've ever tasted. You're going to love it. Next, we'll slowly add half a cup of water. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Daniel Carter from Orlando, Florida. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Now we'll pour all of the mixture into a mold. Ideally, it should be a round one with a hole in the middle. Whenever I make this at home, there's never anything left. It's really impossible to eat just one piece. Using a spatula, spread the caramel all around the sides of the mold. I'm sure this recipe will become part of your routine, just like it became part of mine. Now, in a blender, let's add 2 chopped breads. I bought them 2 days ago. They don't need to be fresh. Then we'll add 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 2 cups of sweetened condensed milk. I'm sure you've never made a dessert like this before. We'll also add 1 cup of cornstarch. Close the blender and blend everything really well. With just a few simple ingredients that everyone has at home, we're making a dessert way better than those sold in restaurants. This is exactly how it should look. Next, pour all of the blender mixture into the mold with the caramel. Cover it with aluminum foil. Place the mold inside a pot and add hot water until it reaches halfway up the mold. If you want, you can use cold water and then heat it on the stove. Cover and let it cook for 30 minutes. After that time, remove the dessert from the pot and place it in the fridge for 1 hour. Look how beautiful it turned out. Using a plate, flip it over and remove it from the mold. This dessert has been part of my family for generations. Once I learned how to make it, I never stopped. It may look simple, but you need to pay close attention and follow each step exactly as I showed you. A suggestion I always give to my friends is to eat it with a bit of coffee. The flavor combination is simply wonderful. If you don't believe how